Welcome to learning Hakka Chinese. Verb to eat.
Eat in Chinese language has more than one word. Heck and sick, or 吃和食, are the two most common ones. In some dialect, use more sick, and in some more heck. And in some dialect, we use both. Here are some samples.
Have something to eat.
In Cantonese is 食嘢. In Mandarin is 吃东西. And in Shanghai dialect is 吃么子. Here in Jamaican Hakka, we use both 吃东西 or 食东西.
Have a meal.
Have a meal. In Cantonese is 食飯. In Mandarin is 吃飯. And in Shanghai dialect is 吃飯. And in Jamaican Hakka Chinese we say 吃飯 or 食飯.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast. In Mandarin is 吃早飯. In Shanghai dialect is 吃早飯. And in Hakka Chinese here is 吃早 or 食早 or 吃早餐 or 食早餐.
Have lunch.
Have lunch. In Mandarin is 吃午飯. And in Shanghai dialect is 吃中飯. And in Hakka dialect here is 吃煮 or 食煮.
Have dinner.
Have dinner. In Mandarin is 吃晚飯. In Shanghai dialect is 吃夜飯. And in Hakka Chinese here is 吃夜 or 食夜. There's another word. Say 用飯. 用 means use. Can also use for 吃飯. Well, in this condition, it's like when you and your family were having lunch and a friend or a relative of yours walking unexpectedly, so you just pull a chair and ask the person, say, 一块用饭啊? Or if you want to invite some friends to your house on weekend for dinner or lunch, then you say, 周末到我们家来一块用饭啊? That's the time you use this word, 用饭. And then this word 吃, if it put together with another word like 口吃, it don't have to mean eat anymore. 口吃, or in Shanghai dialect say 冷字, means stammer, S-T-A-M-M-E-R.